The Courage Catalyst. What is confidence? It's not about being perfect or never feeling doubt. Instead, it's about believing in yourself, trusting your abilities, and embracing your flaws as part of what makes you extraordinary.
Building confidence is a journey, not a destination. It starts with self-awareness, understanding your strengths, passions, and values. Take the time to reflect on who you are and what you stand for.
Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out friends, mentors, and role models who uplift and inspire you. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with.
Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Don't let fear of failure hold you back from pursuing your dreams.
Okay ka lang, Eva?
Minsan kasi feeling ko, ginajudge ako ng karamihan.
Bakit naman?
Feel ko kasi hinihintay lang nila akong magkamali para ma-judge nila ako ng todo.
Alam mo, nagbabasa ka ba ng Bible?
Paminsan-minsan po.
Meron kasi ako ditong Bible verse, baka makatulong sa'yo. Sa Psalm chapter 27 verse 3, Through an ardent camp against me, my heart shall not fear. Through war arise against me, yet I will be confident. Lagi mo lang tatandaan na hindi mo kontrolado yung mga opinion ng iba, kaya huwag mo masyadong damdamin yung mga sinasabi nila sa iyo.
Thank you, Maiden.
Challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when you push yourself beyond your perceived limits and discover what you're truly capable of. Remember, confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you cultivate over time. Believe in yourself, embrace your uniqueness, and let your light shine bright. This is Courage Catalyst, empowering you to unlock your confidence and transform your life.